Hi everybody, welcome back to the Armcandy. We've got another gorgeous Chanel to show you. So this is the Chanel Surf Tote and it just feels like a very reliable, practical Chanel. It would definitely make an ideal work bag. So I'll talk you through the features. We've got double top handles, and then along the bottom we've got 4 base studs, and then we've got this removable strap as well. So that just clips onto those little loops just underneath those top handles, and I like how well the little loops are tucked into those top handles, because it just makes the strap look very cohesive and kind of fit very well with the bag. Even though it is removable, it still looks like a part of the bag. It looks really nice. So then we've also got 2 large flat pockets. So we've got one along the front, so along the whole front of this bag, and that's got that CC turn lock closure. So that's just one nice big flat pocket in there. And then we've got the same thing along the back. It doesn't have a fasten on it, but we've got another nice big flat pocket along the back of the bag. And then the main bag has a press stud little belt fasten just there. And then inside we've got 2 zipped pockets. So we've got one along the back here with that Chanel badge there. I'll just show you. That zip still works very nicely, and that's inside that pocket. And then we've got inside this pocket as well. The date code for this bag is just in a little tag in the bottom corner of the bag. So I'll pull it out so you can see it. So you can see that date code begins with 14. So that makes this a 2010/2011 Chanel. So the condition of this Chanel Surf Tote, we've called the exterior and the interior good. You can see that it's still got lovely shape. There's some areas where that leather is a bit more soft and it's got a little bit more squish at the back, but at the front you can see it does have that lovely shape still. There's just a little bit of rubbing on the leather on those corners, but very minimal, and there's just a couple of small little marks. So just here on that top handle you can see a little mark just there, and then on the base there's another couple of really tiny little marks. They're just here and just here as well. And then the interior, it's just a case of, you can tell that it has been used before. It's got a couple of marks on the leather here and there, just general signs of wear throughout that interior, but nothing major, nothing super major for me to point out to you. Just those general signs of a previous life, but still in a very nice condition. So you can see that little mark on the leather there. So that is why we've called the exterior and the interior good, because it is still in a very nice, usable condition. The hardware we've called fair. There's just a little bit more wear on the hardware. So it's got that lovely gold tone, but you can see in some areas it's started to fade, like in the centre of that stud where it's gone a bit silver. And then if we pull out this turn lock, just here you can see where that's darkened, where that was originally that gold toned hardware. It's darkened a little bit. And then on the base studs, there's always wear to the base studs, they're always the first to go. So you can see again in the centre of those, that gold tone is just starting to fade, and there's a few kind of hairline scratches and things like that. So that is why we called the hardware fair. But overall it is really gorgeous, and again it just has a lot of life to it. Definitely in a really lovely, pre-loved, usable condition. If you would like to know the exact measurements for it, I'll show you what it comes with first actually. So we've got the Chanel dust bag coming with it, and the exact measurements for it will be in the link in the description below. So if you click that link in that description, it will take you directly to the Chanel on our website, so armcandybagco.com, where you'll find a few more details on it. That link should hopefully take you directly to this bag, but if it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we know we've got a lot of Chanel lovers watching this channel. So if you are a Chanel lover and you fall in love with this on our YouTube and you get to our website and it's not there, what you can do is you can get on our request list. And it's really easy to do that. Just let us know how much you love this through email or fill out the contact us form on our website. We'll get you on that request list, and then as soon as we get in another one, you'll be one of the first to know. We'll send you through the link to shop, and hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly next time. So that's the request list. Exact measurements again are going to be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and just with those top handles you can pop it on your arm like that, or actually it does just fit on your shoulder with those top handles as well, but then you've also got that really handy strap too. So you can pop it on your shoulder like that. Makes it a little bit easier for on the go, especially if you're using it for a work bag. That's a really handy little feature there. So again, a gorgeous, gorgeous Chanel definitely would be an ideal work bag. So if that's what you're looking for, head to the link in the description below. Have a look at this on our website. Have a look at all of our other beautiful Armcandy while you're on our website as well. We've got loads of beautiful bags for you to have a look at the minute. So make sure you have a browse through there. Sign up to our newsletter and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, and you can use that code on your first purchase with us. So don't miss out on that. And also have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling any of your bags. We'd love to see what you've got for us, so have a read through there. Like this video while you're here, and don't forget to also subscribe to our channel, hit that alert button, and then you don't miss out on any beautiful bags like this one that we have to show you. And we'll be back very soon with some more.